The Radiant International School wishes all my dear parents and my dear kids a very good morning. So today we are going to practice the MCQs that are going to be asked in the third round test. So here today we are going to start chapter number 1, multiplication MCQs. So now what are MCQs? MCQs are the multiple choice questions wherein you get a question for which there will be 3 options or the 3 answers given. You have to read the question carefully, read the options carefully and decide which answer is the correct one for the given question. So let us start the first chapter, multiplication MCQs. The first question over here is, repeated addition of the same number is called dash. Now we all know that in which chapter this statement is been used. Repeated addition किसके लिए use होता है? For the options are multiplication, addition or division. So which one is the right answer? You have to tick on the correct answer and write over here. Multiplication. Understood? So in this way, you have to read the question carefully, read all the options that are given to you and then decide which is the right answer. If you get the right answer, you have to tick on the correct option and write the answer on the given blank. Now let's look to the next question. Now here, there are lollipops drawn. Let us count how many lollipops are these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 5 lollipops plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are also 5 lollipops. 5 lollipops plus 5 lollipops is equal to, let us count how many lollipops are these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are 10 lollipops. Okay, now the statements for the given drawings are 5 lollipops plus 5 lollipops is equal to dash lollipops. 2 groups. See, there are the 5 lollipops in our groups. Okay. So how many groups are there for 5 lollipops? There are 2 groups of 5 lollipops. And they are equal to how many lollipops? You have to find the answer. 2 into 5 is equal to dash lollipops. Now, what does this mean? There are 2 groups of 5 lollipops. That means how many lollipops are there in all? So here the options are 15, 12 or 10. So what is the correct answer? You have to put a tick and write the answer on the given blanks. Now the third question. 10 into 4 is equal to dash. Now you all know that whenever you multiply a 1-digit number with 10, so the answer will be the number and 0. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4 like this. 10 into 4 करके देखना है. 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4. So what is the answer? 440 or 04? 4040. Understood? लेकिन आपको यहाँ पे ऐसे रफ वर्क करके भी कर सकते हो तो आपको करेक्ट आंसर पता चलेगा. Understood? Now we are going to move to the other sum. The fourth one. 9 into 1 is equal to dash. So 3 options are 9, 90, 91. See, whenever you multiply 1 digit, 2 digit or 3 digit number, कितने भी digits होने दो, उसको अगर हम 1 से multiply करेंगे, तो we will get the same number. तो 9 into 1 is equal to 9. Easy? Now, the fifth one. 3 times 5 is written as, see, the statement has been given, you have to write it in the numeric form. The three options for this questions are 3 into 5, 5 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5. See, 3 times 5 मतलब 5 को 3 बार लिखना है, तो हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, but the correct format for the writing is 3 times 5. Understood? Times को हमें मल्टीप्लीकेशन की साइन में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो करेक्ट फॉर्मेट कौन सा हुआ? 3 times 5 means 3 into 5. Okay? So the correct answer is 3 into 5. अगर हमें इसे ड्रॉ करके बताना होगा तो हम कैसे बताएंगे? 3 times 5 मतलब 5 लॉलीपॉप्स के 3 ग्रुप्स, वो 3 बार रिपीट हुए हैं. अंडरस्टूड? So we'll move on to the question number 6. Now, here the question number 6 is dash into 6 is equal to 42. Now, हमें यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर आएगा वो ढूंढना है. वो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? The easiest way is to recall the table of 6. और 6 के टेबल में क्या ढूंढना है? 42. 6 के टेबल में 42 कभी आता है? Come on, think. 6 sevens are 42. So you have to tick on the correct answer and write the number at the blank. The 7th one. These are the sets of cherries. How many cherries are there in one group? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cherries. And how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. These are 4 groups of 3. That means 4 groups है. लेकिन कितने चेरीज के 4 ग्रुप्स बने हैं? एक ग्रुप के अंदर 3 चेरीज हैं. और वैसे कितने ग्रुप्स हैं? 4. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ चेरीज तो हो गए 12. लेकिन हमें 4 ग्रुप्स ऑफ 3 को न्यूमरिक फॉर्म में बताना है. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Tell me. You have to write. See the options. 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 into 4. 4 into 3. See. यहाँ पे कितनी बार ग्रुप्स है? Easiest way is to find out how many groups are there. Into 3. Okay. So 3 चेरीज कितनी बार रिपीट हुए हैं वो देखो. तो 3 चेरीज 4 टाइम्स रिपीट हुए हैं. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज 3 times 4. ओके. नाउ विल मूव ऑन टू द 8th one. 3 into 100. 3 into 100 is, see, you can write like this. 3 into 100. 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. So the correct answer is 33 or 300. The answer is 300. Okay. Now we'll move on to question number 9. 12 into 4 is equal to dash. Now here you have to solve the sum to find the answer. हमें इसे पूरा सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. तो हमें टेबल नंबर 4 तो आता ही है, तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. So the correct answer क्या है? 48 है, 84 या 44? The correct answer is 48. Okay. Now we'll move on to question number 10. There are 10 bunches of flowers. Each bunch has 8 flowers. How many flowers are there in all? So for that we have to do multiplication. वहां पे 10 bunches है. See, 10 bunches of flowers. और एक bunch के अंदर 8 flowers है. तो टोटल कितने फ्लावर्स हुए वो फाइंड करना है. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 8 zeros are 0. 8 ones are 8. So what will be the correct answer? 800, 80 or 8? 80. So we are going to write the answer in the blank. The 11th question. Again, can you see the sum? You have to solve this. Recalling the table of 3. 3 6 are 18. We have to write the number at the top in a circle. Why? Because if we forget to make a circle, then we'll forget to add that number when we multiply the number to the next number. Now we have to multiply 3 to 2. 3 2s are 6, but we cannot write here 6 directly. We have to write 7. Why? Because we have to add this number. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Now the correct answer is 72, 78 or 62. The answer is 78. Now we'll move on to question number 12. Write the multiplication facts for the given picture. Now these are the books. How many books can you see in the one picture? The standing one book and the other. There are 2 books in one picture. Okay. Now the 2 books are repeated how many times? We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 2 books are repeated 7 times. So how are we going to write these? 7 times 2 or 7 into 2. The other option is 2 times 7 or 2 into 7. Or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is the correct answer? What do you think? 7 बार 2 books है कि 2 बार ही 7 books है? Think. There are 7 times. The picture are repeated 7 times. And each picture is having how many books? 2 books. So the correct answer is 7 times 2 or 7 into 2. You have to write it 7 times 2. Okay. Now the question number 13. 6 times 3 is equal to dash. See, 6 times 3 matlab there are 3 stars in one picture. And this picture is been repeated how many times? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 stars are repeated 6 times. So that means 6 into 3 is equal to dash. अगर आपको 6 का टेबल आता है तो आपको पता होगा कि 6 3 कितना होता है, लेकिन उसको हम अदर वे से भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. You know how? We can count the number of stars. The total number of stars is in the answer itself, in the picture itself. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the answer should be 18. 3 6 is 18. 6 3 is also 18. So the correct answer is 1 8 18. Now here the 14th question is, there are two balloons. Can you see the 2 balloons? The question is dash is equal to 6. 3 times 2, 2 times 3 or 3 times 3. What will be the correct answer? Think. See, 3 times 2 matlab 3 into 2. 2 times 3 means 2 into 3. Okay? 3 times 3 means 3 into 3. लेकिन 3 3 तो 9 होता है. 2 3 भी 6 होता है. 3 2 भी 6 होता है. लेकिन हमें यहाँ पे पिक्चर को अच्छे से देखना है. There are only 2 balloons. Can you see? और वो 2 balloons कितनी बार रिपीट हुए हैं? 2 times रिपीट हुए हैं. Yes or no? So we are going to write the correct option. That is 3 times 2. 3 बार 2 balloons repeat हुए हैं. So the answer is 3 into 2. Understood? Now we are going to move to the question number 15. Dash into 9 is equal to 0. Abhi, you know what? whenever you multiply a 2-digit, 1-digit or a 3-digit number with 0, the answer is always 0. You know this fact. So what is the correct answer? 0, 9 ki 1? 0. So you have to write here 0. Now the 16th. 5 into dash is equal to 0. 5 zeros are 0. 17th one. 1 into 8 is equal to dash. Whenever you multiply any number by 1, the answer is the number itself. So the correct answer is 8. 6 into 100 is equal to dash. That means 600. Yes or no? Because 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0 and 6 ones are 6. 600. 7 into dash is equal to 70. यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो 7 के बाद 1 0 है. That means 7 tens are 70. The 20th one. 8 into dash is equal to 800. 8 के बाद 2 0 है तो हमें कौन सा नंबर टिक करना है? 10 1 की 100. 100. So the answer is 100. 3 into 10 is equal to dash. So there are three options: 300, 30 or 3. So what will be the correct option? Because there is only one 0. 10 में 1 0 होता है तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? 30. Okay. Now we'll move on to the other question. When you multiply a number by 0, the answer is always 0. क्योंकि अगर हम 2 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 2 zeros हमेशा 0 होगा. 0 को अगर हम 9 से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दे तो भी 9 zeros 0 ही होगा. Understood? Now 23rd. When you multiply a number by 1, the answer is always the number itself or 1. That means the answer is the number itself. Okay. यहाँ पे actually the same number आएगा. 24th. Dash is the sign for multiplication. अभी हमें multiplication की साइन तो पता है ना कौन सी है? प्लस है, multiplication, division आइडेंटिफाई करना है हमें. तो right answer is multiplication sign is the cross. Okay. Now here 9 into 4 is equal to dash. Okay. The last question of chapter number 1 multiplication MCQs का. 9 4s are 36. So we are going to write here 36. So in this way, you have to try solving the MCQs with the given options. You have to choose the correct option, tick on it and write the answer on the blank. I hope this video helps you to solve all your queries. Stay home, stay safe.